Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer files or any data from your iPhone to your Realme C35 or any other Realme C series like C31 for example. So in order to do that we'll need to download an app on both of our phones, and on the Realme it needs to be done on Google Play Store and on iPhone on App Store. Start searching for the apps, and its name is Send Anywhere. The same thing right here. Open this app, this one, and click the download button. The same thing with our Android. After download is done on one phone, we can open the app. We can open it on the second one as well, agree to the terms, and grant the file access. And now on our Android the app is ready, so we'll need to go to receive, since we'll be receiving files on this Realme. And on our iPhone we'll need to grant and allow lots of access like that, and we'll be ready to send any files. Now here you'll have the tabs with photos, videos, contacts and files. And from all of these you can pick whatever you want to send on this phone. So I'm just gonna go for photos and select 3 photos. Like you need to select it in the bottom right corner like that. So let's pick 3 of them and then press send. After the code loads right here, we'll need to enter this code right here, or scan the QR code or share your link. So let's use the code and press OK. And after a second we should start receiving files after allowing access to our iPhone again. Let's open our files, and as you can see the photos are here and they are pretty good quality, the same as this one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.